Are you having thoughts like, what if I fail? What if things go wrong? What if things fall apart? Why me? Why do terrible things have to happen to me? Then you're not alone. Negative thinking, pessimistic thinking, anxiety causing thoughts, these are extremely common, and most of us experience them at some point in our life. Cognitive psychologists believe that it is these thoughts that lead to emotions and then consequent behaviors. Logically speaking, such thoughts will make us feel anxious or even fearful or deeply sad, sometimes angry, guilty, or ashamed. These are emotions that we don't want to feel. So here's a tool for you to try. It's called reversal or reframing of your thought. The first thing to do is catch yourself doing it. Create some awareness and an intentional pause that, hey, I just had that thought again. Once you've created that awareness, accept that this is normal. It can happen. Instead of eliciting another chain of thoughts as to why I tend to think like this, I'm a negative person, I'm a pessimist, you catch yourself saying it, you accept that this is normal and it can happen, and then instead of trying to stop that thought, you insert or implant a different and a rational thought, such as, what if it all works out? What if I don't fail? What if my presentation goes really well? What if I absolutely ace it? This is known as reframing or thought reversal, when you're actually thinking the opposite of what if things go wrong. Here again, our thoughts will elicit an emotion, but the consequent emotion will not be a negative or a difficult one.